Hey everyone, it's Kenji. I am at Corner Slice. Which is inside Gotham Market. This is 45th Street and 11th Avenue. Not a neighborhood I generally go to in New York, but I was told to come to Corner Slice because people say it's good. Yeah, we'll see how it is. Yeah, it is good. They make Sicilian, only square pies. Well, they call it Sicilian. It's a little thinner than the Sicilian style pizza I grew up with in New York. It's almost like halfway between a grandma slice and a Sicilian to me. But really nice crispy bottom. Wow, look at that. This is the upside down one. So this is the way they make it at one of my favorite places, Pizzeria Suprema, which is over by Penn. If you're at Penn Station, that's the best place to get pizza around there. Pizzeria Suprema, they make a Sicilian, an upside down Sicilian like this with the cheese underneath the sauce. I like the way it protects the dough when you do that. Yeah, it's really good. Good chew to the crust, excellent crispness, really bright sauce. Wow. I also got a pepperoni slice. I actually like that this one is not inspired by the trend of like way too much pepperoni on pizza. I mean, I like that also, but I like that they're kind of going sparing on the pepperoni, just the right amount of pepperoni, sort of a more classic amount. Yeah. In this neighborhood, I mean, I was down here for a photo shoot with the New York Times, video shoot. So I don't really come down to this neighborhood other than for work very often. Although they are building, I think, a train line out to here, so it might get more popular foot traffic. Or maybe that train line's already done, I don't know. But usually when I'm in this neighborhood, I go to Sacco Pizza up on 54th and 9th, which is the pizza I grew up, it's the pizza I've eaten more than any other pizza in my life. But this is definitely a good option. I love that they have root beer on tap. I like a good quality on tap root beer. Nice and cold. All right, Corner Slice, I think it's good pizza, especially if you're into that really crispy Sicilian style, which is kind of a new thing for me. It's not the sort of thick, Sicilian used to be thicker and sort of spongier almost, whereas this is kind of crispy and a little denser. It's good. All right, Corner Slice. See you next time.